plainly, showy, plainly, showy, stilly, river, extraordinary,
Ocean, vast, vast, tough, vast, tough, unexpected, ocean, marvelous.
A living tree. I know a mom worth better to help me breathe easier. She doesn't only exist, surviving a dream about resist because you're concerned about material.
Humans thrive and wither through time. Humans have the ways of the corrupted and vile. Humans has unthinkable horrors brought to life. Humans leave the world grieving when they are done. The one that was existing is now ceasing. The one that was abundant is now lacking. The one that was prosperous is now deteriorating. The one that was using said it was never satisfying. What can you do to give if all you can do is to ask? What can you do to care if all you can do is to neglect? What can you do to sustain if all you can do is to break? What can you do to be forgiven if all you can do is to attack? In human we trusted, in human we strived, in human we created, in human we rely no more. I send you this little letter, not to judge or to condemn, just to remind you to love me better. I have a lot of gold deep in my soul drawer. My ocean overseas fish with no problem. So I send you this little letter. My mountains are growing older. Yeah, some of them are continuously shout their hum, just to remind you to love me better. I think my time is almost over. I really want you to sing an anthem, so I send you this little letter. Don't worry about your future as long as you do anything awesome, just to remind you to love me better. Just work together as a great team to fix the broken and solve the problem. So I send you this little letter just to remind you to love me better.